Shawn, where are we headed?
We're headed to Barstow, California for our first night. We're on our way to Santa Barbara ultimately, but we're going to take a couple days to get there. And right now we just left Nevada and we just came into California and are heading up the first pass.
All right. And since it's pretty close to winter, we have very short days, so we're not going to get very many driving hours in.
No, well, we left kind of late this afternoon, so I think we're going to try to get as far as Barstow, which is a couple hours, and we'll get there just after dark, so that'll be fine.
Good.
Hi there, I'm in front of the famous Peggy Sues diner. Sorry for the noise, there are lots of trucks and cars moving around. This is almost a required stop if you're traveling from LA to Las Vegas. It's in Yermo, California, just the Vegas side of Barstow. One of our first stops when we reach Santa Barbara is always the harbor. We enjoy having lunch at Brophy Brothers, especially sitting outside and on a gorgeous day overlooking the harbor. Hi folks, Corinne and I are at Stearns Wharf this afternoon, having a great time.
We're enjoying the sunshine out here in Santa Barbara, and we're going to take a walk along the pier and show you what's out here.
Lots of stores, lots of busy restaurants. The kids are out of school, so there's lots of kids out playing on the wharf as well.
Yes, and there's plenty of restaurants, a few gift shops, and an ice cream store.
Which we are going to try out.
All right.
Here we are eating our ice cream, and as you can see, we've been eating it pretty fast.
Yeah, malted chocolate and Rocky Road.
It's been really good. Not going to last long. So, I'm sitting up here in Franceschi Park, overlooking Santa Barbara. We're going to try a little something different tonight and take some urban landscape shots, hopefully waiting for the sun to set a little bit more and then let the lights come on a little bit down in Santa Barbara. So we'll see what we get. Well, we had a pretty evening. I'm not sure that we got the best photograph possible, but it worked out fairly well. And to give you a sense of what we shot tonight, here they are.
I'm just here at the Santa Barbara County Courthouse, which you see in the background. I'll take you inside and give you a tour.
We also spent some time walking around the downtown. It is a absolutely lovely downtown to go for a walk. We didn't actually do much videoing, but here are some photographs that we took while we were walking around the town in the evening. Next week in part 2, we're off to a very wet Coronado. If you enjoyed this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you'd like to see more content from us, please subscribe. And to be notified when that content is loaded, please hit the little bell below. Take care, and we'll see you next week.